This is my quick review of this Ultra Pro Universal Remote Control made by General Electrics. So I just want to share with you my opinion with it, what I liked and what I disliked about using it. First of all, let's start with the positive side. This remote control is backlit. So let me just close the lights here. If you're in the darkness and you just press any buttons, the whole remote control will lit up and it will be very easy to find the button you're looking for at night. This is very useful. Another thing that I liked is that it was very easy to pair. As you see here, there is 4 different categories of devices that this is able to communicate with. TV, DVD player and Blu-ray player, streaming box like Roku TV, Fire Stick, stuff like that, and AUX is mostly for sound bars, receivers, and other devices that don't fit in the 3 others categories. Pairing it is very easy, it takes around 3 to 4 minutes. Otherwise, the buttons are also very easy to press, they're well spaced out so you won't mispress one. This remote control takes 2 AAA batteries, pretty standard. And the shape is also comfortable to hold. As you see here, the batteries are on the back and the top is very light. So you're mostly holding the battery compartment. Overall, I highly recommend it. It's compatible with many different devices and just the fact that it's backlit will help using it during nighttime. If you want to get one from Amazon, please check my Amazon links in the description. Every time you use one, I get a very small commission. Otherwise, thanks for watching, leave a comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.